I'm starting to sing.
How'd you get turned over like that? Hey guys, we are headed out to Rima Ridge. We've been called somebody that is stuck on a trail out there. Apparently got into what he is saying is a puddle. We'll have to see when we get there whether or not it's actually a puddle or not. So I got Christian with me, and we are on our way out to see what we can do to help them out. All right, here we're at Tiger Bay, State Forest, Rima Ridge Tract. We're heading back. You looking at the pin? So I just go it straight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Straight, and then he'll be on the right.
On the right? Okay.
I'm gonna try to make it to that track. I'll head from where I turned off.
Okay.
All right.
It should be. Yeah, okay, I already see it.
Awesome. Did you hear that?
No, we gotta stay right on this one.
Yeah, stay right.
Yeah, let's see where you yeah, I'm just gonna hug right.
Yep, we hug right.
Be at an intersection.
Oh.
Oh, you're just gonna stay on this road.
All right.
Oh, he's got our pin, so he's watching
Yeah.
where we are.
Yeah, it's in my location.
Okay, perfect.
Here comes the hole.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, all the tunnels on this road, they're like not even 6 inches deep.
But you got the worst one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I did that with my hatchback out here once back in the day. So, yeah. It's not very fun.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stick to this road. I'm at an intersection, so I should see y'all soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're cruising.
Yeah.
We're behind.
Pacing.
Into 4 low, and here we go. Yeah, so we're on our way out. We're about halfway to this recovery in the woods at Tiger Bay, and we're just talking about the fact that he said that he's just in a little puddle, and he only needs to go about 6 feet. And how many times that we have heard that exact type thing that, oh yeah, we're right at the ramp, and then you get there and they're like a quarter mile down. So we're gonna find out when we get there how far away or how deep he is in this hole actually. Gotcha.
Awesome.
Right down this way.
Okay.
Gotcha.
How's it going?
Good, man.
Yeah.
Let's get this figured out.
At least it's running, so I mean.
Yeah, that's a great part. Yeah, good to see.
Yes, sir. All right.
All right, so do you have a hitch in the back?
Yeah, I have a
That little.
Beer?
Yeah. I can go off of those. All right, so this
Branches gotta get
branch, yeah, we can get rid of that and get your hijack out of there. And then what I think I'm gonna do, because that tree's right there, I either gotta be really close pulling you up, or I gotta pull you up a little bit. Okay. Or you know what, I can snatch block you right there, that's what I'll do. All right.
I've seen y'all's videos too, up in Daytona, yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Are you a local?
Thanks for watching.
Are you a local?
I just moved down here, yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Where are you originally from?
Military family, so we've been all over the place, but just moving from Cali.
Oh, good.
That's all right, if they won't pull out. I mean, not kinetic rope this because he is sunk in there like a dog. I watch people try to kinetic rope stuff like this, and I'm like, man, that just ruins things. That's how you get on the wrong kind of video.
Yeah.
Crocs are gonna need a bath.
Yeah. So is the Pro.
Yeah. So you know the drill, right? When we're ready, I'll tell you, you'll be in reverse, just giving it a little bit of gas. Too much gas just sinks you, not enough gas is too much work for me. So I say like porridge.
If you want, I have a 1 and 2 low. So I think I'm stuck in like 4 low right now.
Oh yeah? Yeah. As long as you got 4-wheel in reverse, I don't really care if you're in high or in low. We'll be doing most of the pulling at least to get you up.
I got you.
Out of the safety.
Alright. Winch is definitely coming down.
You made it far though.
I know.
Oh, you get that hijack out of there?
It's not coming down, that's the issue.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
Like I have it set to
Can you pull it towards me? No?
It's moving just a little.
Yeah, them things have given me a black eye before, so
Be careful.
I'm gonna help you with it, but you're gonna be standing in front of it. So what I want you to do is stand here and pull this back that way.
Alright. So pull it back and then across.
Wait. And push down on it just a little bit. Just like stop right there. Okay, let up. And back again. Yep. No. Alright, never mind. It's not working.
It says to have the latch lower in order to actually lower it, but I tried
Oh,
that.
there it is. That's it. Now try it again. Keep going.
Oh, it's actually lower, and that's the thing.
It's not going anywhere. So this is not good,
Yeah.
but I suggest, because it's almost off right here, that if you want to go this way with it, I can help, but I'm not responsible for stretch.
Yeah, no,
Okay,
fair enough.
here we go. Ready? Push it that way. 1, 2, 3, go. There you go.
Oh.
All right.
It's on plastic laying there.
Oh,
Here.
the back of the light.
Oh.
Sorry.
Alright, no, that's fine. They're custom anyways, so I'll just get a new one.
All right, yeah,
That's the thing I love about this thing. It's like if anything breaks, you can just get a new one.
they are the best off-road toy in the world. People think we don't like Jeeps because we drive Toyotas, but I lived in Costa Rica. I had a Jeep. It was awesome. We drive these because of the reliability.
Yeah, fair enough.
And
I kind of want to get.
their weight distribution is pretty amazing. So I'm not going to go very far up. I want to keep this angle on you. I don't want to get closer to that tree.
Yeah, I gotcha.
What we're going to do is go ahead and hop in your truck.
Yeah.
All right, as we're coming out, what I want you to do is mind this tree.
Gotcha.
So you'll come out this way a little bit and then over, okay? So your wheels are straight. Just try and keep them that way for a little bit, okay?
Gotcha.
Here we go.
All right. Just like that.
Just like that.
Thanks so much. You really love me, man.
Like butter.
Exactly.
All right.
There you go, guys. That's how deep he was in. Oh, I'm starting to sink. I gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna share some of that light cost with you. And expect to see yourself on YouTube.
All right.
If I asked you to put a type on a YouTube video,
I'm honestly gonna leave it to y'all.
think about it.
Yeah.
We'll come up with something.
Yeah.
We usually like quote what people say like in conversation or
Yeah, I got it.
whatever, but this was a deep hole
Yeah.
for any Jeep.
Yeah. Unexpected.
I would
Maybe
not.
the only deep hole on the trail.
Yeah, I know
That'd be
exactly.
a great title, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's kind
The
of what it
only
was.
deep hole.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, there you go.
The only deep hole on the trail.
Because all the rest are so easy.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's so deep. I mean, sometimes I like to go conquer what I pull people out of, but
But not today.
not this time. I am not going anywhere near that hole.
Do you like this
Oh.
one there? Or
Yeah, the inside. Thanks, sir.
Zell to the phone number down here, right?
Yes, sir. Fortunately, it's not that far for you to get out of here and back it up. Got the right boots for out here.
Yeah.
You're in your sneakers and I'm in my Crocs.
Exactly.
We gotta go shower our feet when we get there.
these shoes have seen worse at this point.
Fair?
There we go. Awesome. Thank you so much, y'all.
Be blessed, man. I gotta get out to the trail.
Yeah.
I just make sure that you're backed out. I don't think you have a problem. But
Nah,
just
it
so,
should be
just so
fine,
you know,
bro.
we're good.
Yeah, no,
Be
thank
blessed,
you.
man.
Yep, y'all's as well.
Hopefully we see you on the beach.
Yep, that's next.
All right, we're coming back. How does this guy get turned over like this? Huh, buddy? How'd you get turned over like that? There you go. Oh, turn around, go that way. Turn around, go that way.